Have you ever had a problem with your business operations? Not quite sure how to solve the problem? Not quite sure what the problem is? Here at Strategic Blueprint Consulting, we have a system that we call Operations Blueprint Strategy. And in that strategy, there's a variety of methodologies that we use based on your need and your business that we will implement throughout the process of getting to the solution of what your problem is. The first methodology is IDEO. This is design thinking, which is normally employee driven. This is where your employees can really participate with helping to solve a problem, helping you to find the solution to the issues that's been going on for months, years, or you know something is wrong, but you're not quite sure what it is. This methodology is employee driven, and this is where they can really come in and help you. Scamper, which stands for substitute, combine, adapt, modify, eliminate, and reverse. This is a brainstorming technique to develop or improve your products and or services. So again, like I stated before, based on your business, your needs, there is a methodology that is perfect for you. And sometimes we will use more than one as we go through the phases of the solution process. The next one is DMAIC, define, measure, analyze, improve, and control, problem solving approach. So throughout these steps, we will find out what the problem is and how you should go about solving that problem. DMAV, define, measure, analyze, design, and verify. Redesigning a problematic process or product. If there is a problem that you're having, is redesigning the solution that you previously had, and you go back and you redefine it. Let's look at this again. Let's see, what we missed. Why isn't this working for us anymore? What has changed? Going through these steps will help you to figure out what that issue is. Deep dive technique. This is where your team conducts an intense analysis of a problem. Gather around the table, have a working lunch, roll up your sleeves, and get to work. This is an intense process that it's a lot of brainstorming, it's a lot of conversations, it's a lot of open communication. So there definitely needs to be a leader that understands that and is willing to listen to the thoughts, ideas of everybody, really understand the problem and risk that they have come across and where you see you need to fix those issues. Starburst Brainstorming. This is a process to determine what are you doing? Why are we doing so much of something and it's not working? This is where you can reduce, reuse, or recycle. So going through this process, this will help you to, boost that bottom line as well by if you have a lot of overhead, if you have systems that's not necessary, or you're overly spending for these systems and you really don't need to, um, you're not hiring the right skill set. There are some product or services that you're constantly keeping in your inventory when they're not moving. There's some content or something that you've used before that is great content. So why not recycle it? Let's use that again. So, what methodology is best for your organization? Let us know. Contact us here with Strategic Blueprint Consulting at Melissa at smginc.com. .biz.